What's going on, everyone? In this video I'm going to be talking to you about our stud conversion. So if you have a European car, Volkswagen, BMW, or Porsche for example, you know that most of those come with lug bolts from the factory. So this kit will convert from lug bolts to studs and lug nuts like most other cars. One benefit to switching to studs is it just makes it a lot easier when dismounting or installing wheels under your car. Also, some just like the look of studs and lug nuts versus lug bolts. All of our stud conversion kits are made from grade 5 titanium, and they're available in M12 1.5, M14 125, and M14 1.5. When it comes to installation, that's pretty easy. All kits are included with a Torx driver and a bottle of Loctite. So you're just gonna undo your lug bolts, take your wheel off, install your new studs with the Loctite on the threads, let that cure into your hub assembly, and then install your wheel with some new lug nuts, and you're ready to go. So that's gonna conclude the video on our stud conversion kit. They're a great addition for any European vehicle. Thanks for watching.